What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another video. Let's get inside of the car real quick before I explain what we're doing today. So, pretty much, I just want to record a day in the life of my life, really, because I've always wanted to see, whenever I didn't have a car before, how it is driving, a manual car every day, and just like how it is driving it overall for fun, like solo driving in the canyons and all that. But today's just gonna be a little vlog, just doing my own thing, getting food, picking up some friends, getting the car washed, bro. It's super dirty. And we're gonna go on the POV canyon run, which is gonna be at this timestamp right here. If you guys just wanna watch the POV run, go for it, but I'll see you guys in the next clip. Well, hello there. Hey. We're gonna go to a car wash right now. Are you excited? Are you excited for a car wash? What about that? Okay, yeah, dude, if you guys see, I don't even know if you guys can see, but the hood on my roof is disgusting. So we gotta get a car wash real quick, and after that we're probably gonna go eat, go Touge. I don't know, we're gonna have fun. Okay, so it turns out everyone and their moms want to come wash their car. So even a Murcielago want to come wash his car. So looks like we're just gonna go to one where they wash your own car, cause I'm not waiting in this line. Anyways, we brought the Subi to Classic Car Wash. We're gonna get this thing cleaned. Hopefully they're gonna be a bit quicker. 20 bucks, it's not too expensive. I'm not sure what happened there, but anyways, 20 bucks, not too expensive. I'll see you guys once the car gets cleaned, and we're gonna go eat right now though. I'll show you what we'll get. Alright, we're at this place called Smash Burgers. You know where it is. We're getting some burgers. Right now I'm waiting for my boy Danny. He went inside to get the food. He's gonna bring it back and I'll show you what we got. I'm fucking starving. God damn! Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna go pick up the car now. Let's just finish up eating, grub up. Only took 20 minutes. Yo! Oof. She's looking nice and clean. Oh, I'm so excited to rip up some back roads with this. Oof. Alright, I'll meet you guys in the car. Let's go in. Oh my god, I gotta record this thing. Oh, look at your face shining on there. Oh my, dude. I gotta fuck my shit up here though. Shit. I gotta fix this thing up. But they got everything nice. Damn. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna go to the tollgate right now, and literally that's the next clip. I will see you guys. So I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so I can't really see if there's a car coming. I think we're good. Okay. Anyways, so we're gonna drive the new WRX. What am I saying? Alright, anyways guys, so we got here. We're gonna drive my dream car. Well, not really a dream car anymore because I got it. It ain't a dream no more. But here's a quick POV drive on how this car goes and just really how it drives. I can't really say more to it. But yeah, let's go into the POV drive, and I'm gonna try my best not to talk this time. Seriously, I won't talk. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's go. Let's have some soul driving. Fuck that MPG shit. SMPG. Oh wait, SPG. Smiles per gallon. Oh hell no. No way this guy just got. Oh gosh. red line. Whoops. Whoops. I was concentrating on the road. That's on me. Why was there 4 people in that car right there? 5. Did you see that?
A full house.
Damn, bro. That was crazy. Oh, so where we saw Super last time. Anyways, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Ready to.
Oh, there he is. He's gone.
Oh my! Are you? Bro, what? I don't know if you guys saw that dip we just went. That's where Alexis went. That was in front of us, going 20 miles per hour. Oh my lord. Anyways, I'm gonna try my best to shut up again. Gosh, that Del Sol's flying. Is that how we look to other people? I wonder. Very. You did. Dude, I love how this car just grips. Just keep your foot on the throttle, go, and it opens up. And then let go. Hold it. Then we hold, and then we brake here. Perfect boost pickup right there. Red line? I hope you guys can hear the pops on this car, bro. I'm so in love with this car. You know, getting some fun out, bro. Man, if you have enough money to buy your dream sports car or whatever you have, like whatever you want, buy it, bro. If you're into cars and you want that car, get it, bro. Like, that's one of the best advice I can give you. Like, not only for this, man, it's not only this driving, just everyday driving, really. It's really fun. Well, we caught up to the fellas before. This guy's definitely mad. This guy was, okay. Cool. Yeah.
Awesome.
Wait, hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, give me 1 second. Oh my god. I hope you guys can see that.
Competition.
Aim 5 comp. Alright, let's start going downhill. Oh, the Mini Cooper's flying. Damn. That guy's going quick. This is where I almost got hit one time, guys. If you guys ever watched my video, there was a Honda coming down the way we're going right now. And he was like completely cutting up the mustard. I don't even know how the hell he didn't touch us. You remember this?
Yeah.
He was right here and he, like, dude. That was crazy. Heel toe real quick. I wish I should get a cam for my feet. I feel like that would look very cool. Cause most of all, cause it's manual. I could go a lot quicker on this corner. The one thing I don't like about downhill, it's not with this car, it's mainly on this road as well. Sometimes, if you guys can see on the Mustard, they're not there right now, but more high up, they put pebbles in the middle for people not to go fast. And if you land on those pebbles, you start spinning out. And the thing is, it's downhill, you know? It's a lot harder to control the car on downhill. So it's like they try to make people crash. It's very weird. But you see the pebbles on the side as well. I don't know if you guys can see on the white lines. There's pebbles. Those are kind of weird. Puts a smile on my face, like say. I wish you guys could see my face. I'm genuinely smiling right now, bro. can't brake hard, or even going uphill. Oh my gosh, dude, what the oh hell nah, bro. Hey, I'm never coming back to this fucking thing again, bro. No one can respect the fucking lanes, bro. What was that? Bro. Oh my gosh. Anyways, on the downhill or uphill, you can't brake too much because brake pads will fuck you up. That's why it's good having a manual, like being off the brakes as much as possible. Because I'm not saying your wheels will lock while braking, but all the traction will go to your front wheels, which can really mess it up and make you lose control of the car. And most of all, if you're on an old car, if you brake too hard, then your ABS will usually mess up and lock your wheels, and yeah, that'll be bad. But that's something important for you guys to know, like braking hard is never really good on the Canyon. As you guys saw though, we did brake really hard once we got brake checked, but that's I guess an exception because we literally dropped down to 0 miles, so or like 10 miles. Alright, let's finish up right here. Oh shoot, don't scrape the car though. Ooh, cool little 360. Damn. Let's get this up. Anyways, let's go look around the car real quick. So this is my dream car I finally got, guys. I got it not too long ago as well though. Say hi. But yeah, this is the dream, having some sort of cheap sports car at this time of day, at this day of age. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying, bro. But man, it's good having a sports car, huh? You gotta get one.
I will.
You gotta get one. They're the best. I gotta see another car here next to me soon. Anyways, guys, we might have been just straight up looking at the floor right there. Hopefully the rest of the camera angle wasn't messed up. If it was, then shit, you guys see this now. But I swear to God, the rest.
Can I have your phone?
Hold up.
Take a picture.
I don't have my phone since I but I don't know how I'm looking right now. He'll take a picture right now. But anyways, I can see, I don't know if you guys can see my shadow, it's pretty bad. But woo, M4! Yeah, get that shit, yeah. Woo! That sounds good. Dude, these guys are crazy. These guys are crazy doing that. But anyways, guys, this is pretty much day in the life of driving your dream car at 18 years old. I hope you guys did enjoy. You gotta get your dream car, bro. I'm not even dream car, you know what I mean. Yeah. Dream car at this age, you know. You guys gotta get this. It really is the best. If you guys have a truck you guys want, if you guys have a Subi or any sort of JDM you guys want, get that shit, bro. It's well worth it.